What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video. Euro, JPY, demand. I like it. I like this demand a little bit. I'll tell you why now. I like it because it broke structure, but I don't like it because this demand was tested already by this. You just drew it smaller to make it seem like it didn't touch, but it did. Where is it? Euro, JPY, 1 hour. This is the demand, and it did touch. Now, if you want to go on lower time frames, maybe 30 minutes, or if you go on 30 minutes, still same demand area, still touched. For this reason, I don't agree with what you sent, because you just made it seem smaller to make this area seem as liquidity. To me, this is mitigated already. So I'm receiving many charts, but now I want to go over my charts and show you the opportunities that I'm seeing. Otherwise, I'm just responding to everyone. Euro USD, I'm looking at this demand for buys. NZD CAD not interested. GBP CAD looking at this demand for buys. GP JPY not interested. Euro AUD again. We had this demand being mitigated. Well, actually, no, we didn't touch this demand, therefore that's why I was kind of confused. I was looking at this demand, but we didn't touch it, and therefore I didn't look for any type of confirmation. EuroCAD, I'm not interested in getting involved. We are at supply, but this supply broke structure and broke the previous supply, and therefore I see the chart as bullish overall. GBP CHF, we are in between, battle between supply and demand. I wouldn't get involved right now. We broke to the downside, and what I will look at is possible sells either from here with these highs as liquidity, or from higher supply up here. So GBP CHF, we can actually have opportunities soon. I will put an alert. Right now, there is nothing for me. I will not look at lower time frames confirmation right now, but we keep this in mind. And AUD USD soon at key area. Personally, I would like to see good confirmation if I want to sell from here. So lower time frames confirmation to sell from here, or maybe have aggressive sells from here, knowing that up here we have imbalance area with supply. This doesn't mean that we will not respect these areas. Also because this supply created this breakout structure. Okay. How about gold? I'm not trading gold lately. I'm not liking gold. I don't need to. I just trade what works for me. You don't need to trade like 20 pairs. You can just stick to what works for you. Gold works for me, but I prefer to just stick to this. When these don't give me any opportunity, then I go to the others and maybe also gold. But if I have good opportunities on my watch list, then I don't look at anything else. Euro USD, no, I don't like this whole area. Euro USD to me was either this supply or we go higher to other supply areas for how I see it. So AUD/USD is not a good opportunity because there is imbalance above. No, that's not what I said. I said that I will look for confirmation at these areas. If these areas, either this or this, give me confirmation, I will take the trade. If I don't have confirmation, then I will wait for higher area. What is your highest time frame? 4 hours is my highest time frame. As I mentioned in the course, I go from 4 hours, 2 hours, or 1 hour to see smaller picture, and then just lower time frames confirmation on 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. When is the backtesting file going to be shared? It's going to be shared before February 10. And yes, I will share the backtesting file with refined entry areas, how to find the best entry areas. I will also start making videos during this month to show you more case studies. A lot of people are asking for entry confirmation, more entry confirmation videos, but if you don't check the community on Discord, there are case studies, and on case studies, just go on case studies and look at case studies. I show you, I talk about entries, I talk about what goes wrong, what goes right, and so on. So I will, of course, make more videos for members for lower time frames confirmation, but you also need to look at all the content. Otherwise, it's not, doesn't make sense. Why don't you look at the daily, weekly? Because my strategy, my time frame of reference is 4 hours and 1 hour. If you look at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours, the 1 hour, then you will just wait forever for your opportunities, because the weekly maybe is bullish, the 4 hours is bearish, the 1 hour is bullish, and so on. You need your time frame of reference. Now, in the course, I teach my time frame of reference, but the same strategy that I use can be applied with any time frame. So, for example, if you want to do swing trading, you should go, in my opinion, with weekly time frame for time frame of reference of direction. Then you go daily and 4 hours to refine your areas, and then maybe you look for confirmation on 1 hour or 30 minutes. For me personally, what I do is 4 hours, my time frame of reference for direction, and 1 hour too. Then I refine on 30 and 50 minutes, and then I look for confirmation on 5, 3, or 1 minute. Okay. Same if you want to do scalping, maybe you do 1 hour as time frame of reference, or even less, 30 minutes as time frame of reference, and then you go lower. But if you don't have your time frame of reference clear, you cannot look at everything. Hello, Edward. Can we use fib levels in AUD/USD, but which levels to consider from above? It depends if you mean for premium and discount, because right now we are already at premium, or if you mean our levels, but in this case, they all correspond, both this and this. That's why I didn't put my fib levels, because I knew that they corresponded to my possible entry areas. At this point, all these 3 entry areas are good. It's just a matter of lower timeframes confirmation for me now. Some people have some doubts about lower timeframes confirmation. As I said, I will make more videos about it. And also, please look at the case studies here in Discord. Also, for all the FTMO members that are connected, I will also upload some exclusive content for FTMO accelerated members during this month. I'm working on it. I want to add a lot of stuff. So